Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Billy May. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and for coming back. I really appreciate your support. So you guys, so in today's video we'll be making mango milkshake. So yeah, if this is kind of a video that you might like to watch or learn something, kindly stick around and let's make this milkshake together. So yeah, stick around. So let me show you what I have and what we are going to use on this milkshake. Yeah, or mango milkshake. Yeah. So for this milkshake, we'll be only needing the two ingredients, maybe plus sugar or honey or whatever you decide to go with. You can also decide maybe to just not add, depending with the sweetness of the mango. This is maybe the natural sugar from the mango. So this one is so huge, you can see, and it's so ripe. I also have this one, so this one, it's overripe, but yes, so I have this one. So this is the end results. It's looking so good, and wow, it's amazing. Well guys, let me enjoy. See you in my next video.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beauty.